In this video, I'm going to show you how to track ad performance using AdCreative AI Analytics and give you a quick explanation of the platform to help you get the most out of it. If you're trying to optimize your ad campaigns or just starting to use AdCreative AI, stick around. I'm about to break down everything you need to know to get started and track your ad performance like a pro. Before we dive into the details, I want to let you know that you can actually try AdCreative AI for completely free by using the first link below. Plus, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses. So if you want to take advantage of this amazing offer, check it out. Now, let's jump into how you can track your ad performance with AdCreative AI Analytics. The software provides a detailed breakdown of how your ads are performing across various channels, so you don't have to guess. First, once you've connected your ad accounts, you can view all the key metrics like clicks, conversions, engagement, and ROI. The platform doesn't just give you raw data, it helps you understand what those numbers actually mean and what actions to take next. One of the coolest features of AdCreative AI is the real-time tracking. You can get insights into how each of your ads is performing as it happens. This lets you pivot your strategy quickly if something's not working, or double down on what's delivering great results. Instead of waiting around for reports, you'll be able to optimize in the moment. The software also makes it easy to compare the performance of different ads, creatives, and campaigns. This side-by-side comparison feature is invaluable when you want to see what's truly resonating with your audience. You can filter by metrics like CTR, click-through rate, and conversion rates, or segment your data by demographics and locations. This helps you understand which creatives are performing the best and why. Another major advantage is the predictive analytics within AdCreative AI. By analyzing your current data, it can forecast how your ads will perform in the future. This predictive modeling can save you time and money by helping you spot trends and adjust your ad strategy before it's too late. AdCreative AI also offers a powerful dashboard with visual charts, so you can see trends over time. You can track your ad performance not only by day or week, but also compare monthly and quarterly performance. This is great for understanding long-term ad effectiveness and making strategic decisions based on trends rather than short-term fluctuations. But the real power of AdCreative AI lies in how it automates the process for you. The platform uses machine learning to analyze and optimize your ad creatives based on real-world performance data. This means you can spend less time manually tweaking campaigns and more time focusing on the bigger picture. The platform is really intuitive and user-friendly, even if you're not a digital marketing expert. It takes the complexity out of tracking ad performance and makes it easy for anyone to understand. Plus, it helps you make data-driven decisions that can lead to better results with less effort. At this point, you're probably wondering, how can I get started with this? It's easy. Simply use the link below to claim your exclusive free trial and bonuses. Trust me, you'll be up and running in no time and see how AdCreative AI can boost your ad performance. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive extended free trial. The link is right below, so go ahead and click it. This is your chance to explore AdCreative AI and make your ad performance tracking a lot easier and more effective.